Hi, I'm going to do a quick demo to demonstrate how to use scenes in GoGuardian. So if you start right here, I've created a little test class for the purposes of this demo. On the left-hand side, you will see a number of options in your navigation bar. So simply click on Scenes. And these are the scenes that I have previously created for my students. I'm just going to click Add Scene. Once here, I can give my scene a name. So I'm going to call this vocabulary. Okay, so I'm creating a vocabulary deck. I'd like to keep everyone on task reviewing this material at the same time. Here under the filters section, I'm able to have it in allow mode to allow students the option of having this ready and available to them, but also browsing and looking at other websites at the same time. Or I can have this on blocked mode, which forces it so that they're forced to just look at the website that I've provided to them. So I'm going to put it into that forced mode, and I'm going to grab this link right here to my vocabulary deck, and I'm going to place that there and do add site. Now they've verified that they have found it. And then I just pop up to save a scene. Now I can see it's appearing here. Once I'm ready to begin my session, teaching my class. So here I am in my classroom. I've now moved my window over to the other side so you can properly see the demo. Once I'm here inside of my test class, I designate the time for beginning the session, and I do apply a scene to this session. And in this case, I'm going to pick vocabulary and just click start the session. Now, this is a dummy account, so you can't quite see, but what would happen is it would launch immediately onto the scene. If students are in another teacher's scene, it will throw you an error. So that's the one thing to keep in mind. So you want to keep the time duration on your class limited to the window, as it may interfere with other teacher scenes. Additionally, if you have students that get kicked out of Zoom, you want to keep in mind that when they're inside of this scene, they are not able to travel outside of the view that you've provided them. So they're not able to go into Google Classroom and grab the Zoom link, or even go onto zoom.com and grab the Zoom link. The way that you would work around that is by using the window where you communicate with the student to copy, paste, and send them a Zoom link if you notice that they fall out of Zoom. So that's how you create a scene. It's very handy and keeps the action limited to the students focusing completely on the task at hand. And I hope you find it useful.